Good morning. It is Monday, November 8th, 2020. Today you're going to start with, surprise, surprise, your daily fix-it sentences. Then you're going to watch a video for there, and there, a homophone. Remember, we're learning about homophones, words that sound the same, but they're spelled differently and they have different meanings. This week we're going to be focusing on there, and there, a very popular homophone. Then we're going to do our daily writing journal, page 31. Let's check out 31 very quickly to make sure we understand our topic. 31, we're getting so far in our journal. It says, write about a mistake you made last week and what you will do differently this week. So everybody makes mistakes. So think about one mistake that you made last week. It could be something in class. It could be something from home, but it's going to be your decision, and how could you do something differently this week based on that mistake you made last week. After you have finished your journal, you have a spelling practice page to do. These are the same spelling practice pages we started last week. We've already done page 32, and we also did 33. You should have these two done. Today is 34, where you're going to fill in the blank line with a spelling word. Make sure you open with Cami and then type in the lines by clicking the text box. Then we have a story to listen to, Roadrunners Dance on McGraw-Hill Online. You're going to click on McGraw-Hill Online on Clever, the red button that says McGraw-Hill. Then you're going to click the red book and you're going to listen to Roadrunners Dance. When you're done, you're going to answer a question about the story on Flipgrid. We're trying to do one Flipgrid per week. Everybody has pretty much done a Flipgrid. You can watch the video to hear the question better. The question is, how did the animals and the desert woman work together to solve a problem? Remember, we're reading stories about cooperation and solving a problem. So here is another video to help you know what to do for Roadrunners Dance. When you're done, you can when you're done thinking about your answer, you can click record and record your video on Flipgrid. Have fun with Flipgrid. I know you always do. Then you need to read a book either on Mayan or Raz-Kids. I'm going to begin checking on these. I'm going to try to make time in class because I'm checking them after class, and I want you to see during class how many books you have and your word count. Remember last week we had Georgina that had read the most words, because when you take a quiz on a book, it counts the words. So I want to see if some of you can increase how many books and quizzes you're taking. You can take quizzes on books on Mayan. You cannot take quizzes on Raz-Kids, but that's okay because Raz-Kids are really good books, so I'm okay with you reading on Raz-Kids too. Just make sure you do one or the other. Then we have class at 10 o'clock where we will check all your morning work. Then we'll probably take an early break, and then we're going to spend a lot of time on math today because we have to get our STAR math test done this week. We're starting on Monday. We have to get it done this week. All the other classes are taking them too, so that we can see how students are doing in their math. So please, please, please do not be absent today so we can do our STAR math test. After we're done with our STAR math test, we'll have a little bit of time to do extra math, Mr. R's videos, and even some IXL.com, because we're going to be waiting for other kids to finish STAR math, okay? And then after class, you'll have one assignment for math on Think Central. That is our day for today. And I am looking forward to seeing you at 10 o'clock. I hope you all had a wonderful, chilly, and rainy weekend.